In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 4, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So at first you have to open all apps of yours, then pick the browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Now tap on more icon here and select history. Now just tap on clear browsing data and you will find basic and advanced options. So under basic you've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and also cached images and files. And then under advanced you've got few more, which are saved passwords, out of inform data, and site settings. So just mark those that you'd like to remove, then pick the time range. So you can remove data from past hour, 7 days, 1 day also, then 4 weeks, and all time. I will pick all time, then tap on clear data, confirm it. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.